What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing something that everyone's been telling me to do, and yeah, we're gonna get it done. So if you've been living under a rock or not noticed my past 4 videos on YouTube or my post on Instagram, my car, this car that I'm currently sitting in, got stolen just over probably about 2 months ago now. So I'm gonna give a quick update now in case you missed it. Right, so I'm posting to my phone right now. So I literally just got in and noticed my car had been stolen. I didn't know it got stolen like 2 o'clock this morning, so I don't really look at the car to check it's there, because it's usually just there. But it was on a road in Chinkford, and then he sent me a photo that I'll show here of my car, and there's all this, like, it looked like snow on it, like obviously it dropped from the trees, but it looked like it had been sat in there ages, but it only been sat there a day, which is probably another reason of why they might. So yeah, it wasn't a good time. Thankfully, thank the Lord, I was so incredibly lucky with the following I have. Someone was able to see it and be able to get the car back. But the chances of me getting it back were so slim, and I was so lucky. And there's so many other people that I've been spoken to recently that have not had that luck or that chance. So today we're going to be installing a tracker by CarLock onto the car. So I'm going to get more in depth of what it does and everything about it, but I have it right next to me here. So they have 2 different options. You have the one that plugs into your OBD port, and you have this one that you hardwire onto your battery. I've gone for this one because I don't have a bonnet pull or anything like that. My bonnet is locked down with pins, and you have to have a special key to unlock it. So this is perfect for me, especially as I run like a loofy gauge and boost gauge off of my OBD, so it's already been used. It literally works for like every car, as long as you've got an OBD port or a battery, which you should have. So we're going to get into it now, but I'm excited to have this because it's the peace of mind that I need, and everyone was commenting saying you need more security and whatnot, so this is the first step into that. I'm going to get into the amount of Fiestas just like this one that have been stolen. There was 2 stolen like miles on all, including mine, and every single week since, no word of a lie, I've seen on Facebook more being stolen from my area and all across the country and just everywhere. Every type of Ford, BMW, anything you can think of is still getting stolen, no matter what people do. So something has to be done to be able to save it. Like I stressed in videos before as well, something needs to be done because it is out of control how quick these are getting stolen. And trust me, if you're that person sitting there watching this thinking, yeah, but it's not going to happen to me, that was me a couple of months ago, and then look what happened. So this is where CarLock comes in. It has GPS tracking. It will tell you if the device has been disconnected from your car. It will tell you if there's vibration in the car, if the vehicle's on the move, and you can even get into more. So it's if your car, someone was driving your car, you can see how harsh they was accelerating, braking, and you can see where they've been, where your car is going. And like I said, if it's been people try to tamper with it, it will give you a notification to your phone to tell you about that as well. So let's get this fitted. So hope everyone appreciates my great bonnet strap that I've had to make because I don't have one. So yeah, here's our battery, here's our CarLock device. So let's do a little box opening for you. So just got the little sleeve. It says about download it on the App Store. Obviously, like I said, mine's a hardwired one, so it's a bit different. I'm just telling you stuff about it. Real-time monitoring, IP65 rated, so you're not going to worry about any water touching it and stuff. It's still going to be safe, obviously, especially because of the battery. So pop that open. Got an activation card, which is great. Not going to show you that. And then here we have the actual product itself, and then just a quick little helpful installation card. We've got some 3M tape, and then obviously we've got our positive and negative. We just pop these onto the battery terminals and then stick this on top of the battery, because I believe the GPS monitoring's on the top. You want it still facing upwards, and there's no point trying to hide it anyway because you can still see the cables coming to it. So I'm going to stick this down, map these up. All I'm going to need is my 10mm ratchet spanner to pop these off, and then yeah, let's get this fitted. Please bear with while we have technical difficulties of me needing to get a ratchet and a socket. The spanner can't get in there. This should work better. And just like that, we are safe and secured. Alright, I guess we set up on the app, turn the car on and see how well it really works. So now I've just downloaded the car lock app just to run you through exactly what I'm doing in case you're doing this at home. Just going to activate my new device, and then on the back of this card I have my activation code and everything I need. So I'm going to pop everything in quick and then show you what was going on. Okay, so now I've done that and I've made an account. I've just got to choose which my car is on this selection. So obviously it's a Ford Fiesta Gini. I don't know how to spell, but I've just put G-I-N-I, Fiesta Gini. That'll do the job. It's the old Fiesta Gini. So now I'm in the welcome bit. You can see it says, I purchased car lock primarily for, you've got security, team driving or fleet management. Obviously fleet management, you can track all the vehicles going out and around. Team driving's, like I said earlier, where you can sort of, if someone's driving your car, you can see how they're driving it, where they're driving it and stuff like that. And then obviously mine's security, so I've just chosen security. And then you've got car lock, would you like it to send you alerts for critical alerts? Obviously, yes, it's not going to spam you around stuff. It's like if your car gets moved or whatnot. Now it says, welcome to the car lock family. Feel free to join our online community. Which is awesome. So, we're in. So I'm just going to quickly show you what happens if you was to disconnect it. So I've loosened up a bit, so I can just pull that out. So that's no longer attached. And then if I go to the phone, then, and now as you can see it says that the device has been reconnected. So that went off because I'm driving it, and now I'm going to show you what happens when you start it. But yeah, I would definitely say it is 100% worth checking these out. You can get a full detailed trip of where you've been, where you've gone, like the full rundown on everything. You can even go into the driver details, whether the speed, the acceleration, the braking, everything you need to know, which is huge and a really great help. But more so for me, and I'm assuming a lot of people watching, the security side of things is what you want. You want the peace of mind of knowing if someone's tried to remove the device, start your car, drove your car, you've got the coordinates as well in case they haven't even seen it. So it is very, very, very good and detailed and does exactly what you would want it to do. So I'll leave a link down below to the Amazon store where you can get it, and if you use discount code B70NY CarLock, you'll save yourself 10% off. And if you use the code B70NY CarLock on CarLock, you'll also get a 14-day extension of a free trial using their software. So it is very, very crucial that you get one now rather than later when it's too late. Do you know what I mean? Trust me, I've been there. I've had to deal with that stuff. You don't want to deal with that. So make sure you go check them out. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below your history of like your car, if you've had your car taken, your worries and whatnot, and your recommendations of keeping your car secure. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and become a member if you'd like as well. But yeah, I'm going to leave it here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for CarLock as well for providing this services. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.